welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing my July Birchbox. So if you guys want to see what I got, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you guys just heard, I am going to be unboxing my July Birchbox. If you're new to seeing any videos about Birchbox, Birchbox is $15 a month. I think if you subscribe annually, it's actually a little bit cheaper. I want to say like $13 a month. I subscribe annually, so it is a little bit cheaper. If they ever have anything where you can subscribe for like 6 months or 3 months or annually, your boxes will be a little bit cheaper. But if you're not doing like any of those annuallys, it's just a standard $15 a box. So Birchbox comes in a box. I threw the original box out. It was just like a plain like peach box with your shipping on it, and it said Birchbox. And then this is the actual box that was inside. I love the pink, and it has like waves on it, I guess for summer, like the beach or the pool. I actually absolutely love this box. So let's see what I got in my box. But before I show you guys what's in this box, are you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you're not and you love makeup subscription unboxing videos and you like makeup hauls and you like mystery boxes, I would consider subscribing to my channel because that's what I mostly do on this channel. I also do show like collection hauls, like I show my fragrance collection, and I'm going to show like my beauty room eventually after I pass like 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to do lots and lots of fun like makeup things on this channel. So if that's something that you guys think you might like, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. Hugs and kisses in advance. All right, so let's see what I got. All right, first things first, this is what's on top of my box. So I have a card, and let's see, is there any other card in here? No, there's no other card. I thought it had a, it kind of has a smell, like I guess like, you know, when makeup or something has a smell. I think I know what it is, but I'll show you guys in a second. So once again, we got a card, but no prices. I guess nowadays nobody wants, I don't think subscription boxes are giving prices anymore. I think they gave up with that. Because most of my subscription boxes, there's no prices anymore, which is very sneaky, because then you wonder, like, how much was the box really, like, when they're like, oh, it's a $100 value, or if you don't know the prices of, like, minis, and normally minis don't have prices on them, so, like, if you don't know the price, then you don't know if you're getting your bang for your buck. But, I mean, I think this looks like at least $15 worth. What do you guys think? This is a sneak peek for you guys. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. And actually this one thing can count for like multiple things. But what is this? This is the Cica Care Bubble Toner. So one is moisturizing, one is soothing, one moisturizing and soothing, one is calming, one is brightening, and one is firming. So it looks like so. So it's a tear off. You just tear it off, and each toner does something else. So it's only like a one-time use. So that's my first thing. I think this is the culprit of what's making this box smell so nice. This is a toner, oh, by the same brand. I don't know if I'm saying this right. And it's Rosemary 1 Essence. Let's smell this. Oh, it's sealed. But I smell, the box smells like roses to me, at least. I don't know. But let's see if we can open this so we can see what this smells like. I don't really smell anything. It's not that strong where like you smell it, anything. But it says 100% rosemary extract. The common energy of rosemary. Interesting. Alright, so far I like everything. Let's see what else I got. So I have an Orange Coal Scalp Scrub. I've never tried a scalp scrub. Did anybody try a scalp scrub? Before, this is what it looks like. The scalp scrub from Orange Coal. So I'm guessing there's like little beads on here. that you have to like exfoliate. I do see like the little exfoliating beads in here. So I don't want to open too much stuff up because I have to finish what I have first. So this is, did I show you guys this up close? Let me just make sure. I wasn't sure, but let me just show you guys again just in case. I don't think I showed you guys that. Okay. So the next thing is the organic Cool, this is the brand Cool. It's refreshing water mist. And it has sunscreen in it. Full 360 spectrum. SPF 18. That's interesting. It looks like so. Let me see if this has a smell to it. Mmm. Smells like coconuts. This smells very nice. Very, very nice. Excited for this. Okay, the next thing I got is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay. It's an exfoliating treatment mattifying mask. I've definitely received this in a box before. I don't know if I got this in like, I think maybe Ipsy I received this in like one of my Ipsy boxes. So that's that. Not mad at it. The next thing I got is the Bio Race Pore Refining Tea Tree Clay Mask. I think I've received this as well. I feel like the subscription boxes, they all like partner with like the same vendors because I feel like a lot of the stuff I've gotten in previous boxes, but I mean, it's fine. Whatever I don't use, you guys know I always save for my giveaways, so it's always a win-win situation. If I can't use it, then you guys get it. So win-win. So this is what that looks like. Okay, and then that was everything in my box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Love the pink box. Love, 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 love the pink box. And that is it for my box. So I think I definitely got my $15 worth. For those of you who don't want to like commit to spending a lot on a subscription box, like I like these boxes because it's only like $15. And if you subscribe for the year, it's like $13. It's a fun way to try, you know, a whole bunch of products. If you're like a makeup junkie, skincare junkie, beauty product junkie like myself, then you would like boxes like these. So that is it. I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love. Give me some thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and just show your girl some love. Leave me a comment. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know what you think of the box. Let's talk. Let's chit chat. And I will see you guys all in my next unboxing.